Comments in Python. Comments in Python can be used to explain parts of the code. It can also be used to hide the code as well. Comments enable us to understand the way a program works. In Python, any statement starting with hashtag symbol is known as a comment. Python does not execute comments. Comments are not a part of the program, but they do enhance the interactivity of the program and make it readable. Python supports two types of comments: single-line comment and multi-line comment. Single-line comment. In case a user wants to specify a single-line comment, then comment must start with the symbol hashtag. Example: program hashtag printing a string, print into parenthesis hello world into double quotes. Output hello world. Multiple line comment. Python does not have a syntax for multi-line comments. To add a multi-line comment, you could insert a hashtag for each line. Example: program output hashtag printing a string, hashtag print 5 names, print hello world into parenthesis in double quotes, print Rachana into parenthesis in double quotes, print Sambhav into parenthesis into double quotes, print Akshat into parenthesis into double quotes, print Tushar into parenthesis into double quotes. Output hello world, Rachana, Sambhav, Akshat, Tushar. However, the text written inside triple quotes is also considered as comment. You can use the triple quotes to write multi-line comments. For example,